Welcome to the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Tuesday afternoon, May 20th, 2025, and we have a lineup of cryptocurrency headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. France to bolster crypto entrepreneurs' security in the wake of kidnappings. The French government is enhancing security measures for cryptocurrency entrepreneurs and their families to protect them from potential kidnappings. Crypto entrepreneurs in France will now have priority access to emergency police services, in-home visits by law enforcement, and customized security briefings. This move is likely to be closely watched by industry players like Marathon Digital Holdings Inc., NASMARA, around the world. For more information on this and other cryptocurrency news, visit cryptocurrencywire.com.
Calamos protected Bitcoin ETFs, the edge you may be seeking. Calamos Investments offers a novel solution with protected Bitcoin exchange-traded funds aiming to provide downside protection over a defined outcome period. These ETFs combine sophisticated equities-based strategies with the performance potential of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. With options-based ETFs on the rise, Calamos stands out by offering a unique approach to mitigating the extreme volatility of digital assets. The April series of Calamos protected Bitcoin ETFs provide a range of risk-reward profiles to suit individual preferences. By utilizing a bull-call spread transaction structure, these ETFs aim to deliver a middle ground between explosive capital gains potential and traditional equity risk models. For investors seeking a measured, risk-aware entry into the digital asset space, the Calamos protected Bitcoin ETFs may offer a compelling solution.
KOINFOLD Pay 2.0 integrates precious metals with BullionStar, enabling crypto-to-gold transactions. KOINFOLD Pay 2.0, unveiled by KYN Capital Group, enables users to purchase physical precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum with cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Through a partnership with BullionStar, users can acquire metals by the gram at competitive costs, backed by physical metals stored in secure, audited vaults in Dallas, Singapore, and New Zealand. This integration allows investors to diversify portfolios and hedge against inflation and volatility while retaining full legal ownership of their bullion. Tax advantages in Singapore, the US, and New Zealand enhance investor value, making precious metals accessible and convenient worldwide. Tether on TRON surpasses $75 billion, tops all stablecoin activities. TRON DAO announced that the total circulating supply of Tether, USDT, on the TRON blockchain has surpassed $75 billion, making TRON the leading network for USDT. Tether represents over 63% of the global market share, with $150 billion in circulation, and over 50% of that supply is on TRON. TRON supports 8.3 million daily transactions and has 306 million user accounts. The network processes $20 billion in daily USDT transfers and leads in total transfer volume globally. USDT on TRON accounts for over 55% of all USDT transaction volume, reflecting rising global demand for digital dollar infrastructure.
A strategy that limits BTC's inherent volatility risk? A deep dive into Calamos ETFs. Calamos Investments has introduced the Calamos Bitcoin Structured Alt Protection ETF, aiming to provide investors with a strategy that combines the potential gains of Bitcoin with mitigatory mechanisms. By utilizing a bull call spread strategy, the ETF offers downside protection by investing in zero-coupon U.S. Treasury bonds and a synthetic call spread on a Bitcoin-linked index. This structure allows investors to participate in Bitcoin's gains up to a preset cap, while ensuring principal protection if held for the full outcome period. This approach offers a measured way to engage with the dynamic asset of Bitcoin, providing stability and reassurance for investors seeking exposure to the blockchain sector.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.